Hello everybody, welcome to Project Not So Slow. This is our W124 300D that we have been slowly but surely building up with new and better parts. In the previous videos, we installed a 7.5mm injection pump, and then in the last video we installed a Holset HY35, and that really made a really big difference with the power of this car. So far, from completely stock, we've lost 4 seconds of the 0 to 60. In this video, we're going to be swapping in this H1C, adding the intercooler, and also adding some sticky tires to the back so we don't lose traction once the turbo spools. So let's get into it.
Also, I'm going to try to figure out that fourth gear.
Also working on the transmission because that...
Try to get the fourth gear to work and maybe connect the actual fuel tank. Yes. Really hoping to get that done.
Hopefully
really nice.
We can actually take this car to the track soon and see what it does in the quarter mile.
Absolutely, I'd love to.
Yeah. How's the fluid look, Dennis?
Oh yeah, it's looking nice and brand new, like it was just poured in yesterday.
Literally looks brand new.
Has like 10 miles on it.
I think it has more.
11.
Are you driving that one time at the first time we tested it?
Yeah.
Anyway, pouring. Show what you're gonna be changing.
Alrighty, so I have no idea what I'm doing here, but just looked up some stuff on the internet, and we got B2 piston right here. So if there is a problem with it now shifting to fourth gear, this could be one of them. So I'm gonna take it, open it up, take a look inside. It's pretty cool. Somebody over here left a note. It says last time it was serviced 509 2009. That is like 16,
I was 4 years old.
16 years ago.
I was 4 years old when it was serviced.
Hey, but at least they used the good stuff. They used the Redline D4 ATF. That's nice. I mean, that's long gone, most likely. Nice and clear. Anyways, if that doesn't fix it, if the B2 does not fix it, then I'm going to take off the valve body and look a little bit deeper inside to see what I can figure out. So hopefully this just fixes it. I brought 2 more B2 pistons with me from other 723 transmissions, in which I'm gonna see if they're any different.
Now that the intercooler's in, we gotta put the turbo on so we can start mounting intercooler piping. So let's yank that thing off. What is going on? What is going on, dude? This is professional intercooler building.
So we,
oh, and the turbos we're supposed to be.
Oh, right there.
Oh, right there. Nah. Oh, this thing. Look at this. Perfect angle.
Pre-cut.
Pre-cut for us.
No, that's perfect. That is perfect. Yeah.
Boom. Look at that. Intercooler set up.
603 is gonna breathe.
Yeah. The intercooler is fully mounted with the bottom mounting points also. Nice, nice, nice.
Well,
Self tappers.
This is gonna work. Kind of covering up the turbo, but once we close the hood, it's gonna look good.
Yeah. Just when it's not visible, it's good. Yeah. But I mean, yeah, it should work. I guarantee that I think it works. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. All right, Dennis, try and make these sticky Mickeys fit, huh?
Yep.
Looks like there's this section here goes straight out. Actually, Dennis already rolled it a decent amount.
I put it on and lowered it, and it just sits directly on top of the tire, just flat.
Yeah. So there's actually a lot of space to just flip that onto itself. See just how it was completely flat. Flip it onto itself, and it should make the tire fit. It'll probably still rub.
What?
I feel like it still might rub because the tires are pretty wide.
Yeah, inside the wheel well, I'm pretty sure it'll still rub, but thinking about putting something into the springs so they don't compress all the way. All right, so I got the tires on. I think it turned out the rolling get pretty good. It clears it by a mile. We'll see once under load. Hopefully it doesn't hit the body right there like it does on the race car. But anyways, we're also, Dana, what you got here?
We got...
The piping is all connected.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
hold on.
it's gonna do the job. You know, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. It'll work. This is just proving, testing, concept testing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll work. Also, feed line. I'm taking out my Home Depot contraption. Then we got these beautiful ones from BenzForce. AN4 line with a banjo to fit the 603 and the 606 block. Huge thank you to BenzForce for sending it out in such a short time. And it's going to be nice. Won't have any leaks. Much better than what I created from Home Depot.
All right, so we're almost done. We just got to slap in our new oil feed line. And then, make the exhaust to go down. That's really it.
I mean, I'm connecting the oil feed and we can go drive it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Show me what you did.
So it looks as close to OEM as possible, but we took out the headlight because
It's right there.
it was in the way of going faster, so you gotta go.
Now we got straight up air flow. You can fit up the whole phone through.
Technically, we can put the whole thing, not most of the dash.
But then there's no airflow. This is legit RAM air. Think about the amount of cold air coming into here.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah, you got the extra self-tapper system set up. This thing is solid. It's better than, look, this is stock. That's stock, and this is our...
Yeah, stock is plastic, so it's not holding one.
Yeah, so this is our system. Check this out. Fitment on point. So, Dennis, slam the hood. Look at... We broke. Here. Look at that. It actually looks pretty cool. You see the two pipes right there? Check it out. All right. So let's do a slight test run with it. I mean, just to see if the engine will clear out.
We just want to drive it, get the fluid running through the transmission, and check it again.
Yeah, and we hope maybe it'll even go into fourth gear. Hopefully. But it looks pretty cool. Man, these tires look so meaty on this thing. Shoot, dude. Actually looks quite nice. And it cleared up. You can hear it sounds much better. Man. The meats in the back look good. Those extra meaty tires look pretty good. Sounds good. This thing looks so mean.
Drive it and actually get it up to speed.
Yeah, let's go.
I think the turbo's full.
It's still spun. I can smell some tire smoke, unless it was rubbing.
Yeah, I think the turbo works. Was that, did you floor in first gear?
I did not floor in first gear.
I saw that it was holding 30 psi, and then you increased, and then I saw that go up to 40. Yeah.
But then, I floored it in third and went to 40. Should have floored it. I didn't floor in first or second.
Hey, but the difference though, like grip is
also just
significantly more grip.
Floor on the turn.
It was so much more grip.
Getting at our private course, we're gonna be testing this car. Intercooler and turbo are working, so let's see how it does now with sticky tires. That's a very big thing with sticky tires, so we will have grip to see what the 0-60 is now. So let's go.
That took an extremely long time to get going.
Well, definitely gotta shift on myself.
Ooh, that sounds so much louder. Dang, this 7223 even sharp between gears with those sticky tires. That's impressive.
Do like a second gear pull. Whoa, this thing is spicy.
These just sound so crowded.
So this thing, it rips pretty good, and once with these tires, they are stuck to the ground. But very bad turbo spool. This turbo takes forever to spool, so the 0 to 60 times are basically exactly the same as the HY35 and fully spinning. So I think next time, if this video gets 1,000 likes, we will put nitrous and fix the transmission, because just without it getting spooled in first gear, it won't gain anything. You'll stay the same, slipping and not doing anything. So 1,000 likes, nitrous, and new transmission. Maybe. Beautiful sunset. Alright, let's go. Full floor? Well, we think our turbo's gone after that one pull.
That's what happens when you don't have a wastegate.
I mean, it was only doing 30 psi.
Was it?
Yeah, it stays at 30 psi, it doesn't go past it. So we're just gonna be monitoring oil pressure to see if it out of nowhere fails, and hopefully the engine doesn't decide to run away on us. You think something flew in and it hit the turbo?
Very possible.
We'll only know if there's a chipped tooth.
I looked at the turbo from the front, it looked good, so I don't think it hit something. I think it just kind of oversped.
Alrighty, let's pop the hood, Dennis. Pop the hood. Let's see what is going on. The turbo wheel's still spinning. Check that out. Man, dude, the turbo wheel's still spinning like crazy right now.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're ready to blow a boost up or somewhere?
Look at this. Oh, just stopped.
Oh.
Alrighty, is there any problems with the wheel? Doesn't look like it.
Let me shine a flashlight.
Yeah, I'm trying a flashlight. It doesn't look like there is anything wrong with it. Let me get the camera in there.
Does it look like it scraped a little bit?
Yeah. Oh, maybe. Shine.
Check the play.
Check the. It's hot. Is it pretty playful?
It has back and forth and a lot of up and down.
Okay.
think it should still be working.
Let's see. Does this? Oh no, that wheel looks fine.
Yeah.
Interesting. There's no way we. Well, nothing looks blown. Everything looks like it's intact.
Apart. Nothing torn anywhere.
I feel like you would see it torn or hear it torn. Interesting. So why did it just die and then not build any more boost? Like it made that sound and then didn't build any
It sounded
boost.
like a cover blew off.
Yeah, and then it was making like a trrr sound. Did it like push out a gasket?
Oh, like from the intake gasket?
Could be an intake gasket just pushed out. That's interesting. But it wouldn't spool at all.
No, it won't do that.
Also, a thing that we recommend is making your exhaust go down at least, so your entire engine bay isn't black.
Whatever.
Also, that's interesting. But why wouldn't it spool?
I don't know.
And then the turbo wheel is still spinning a lot.
I guess you'll.
Maybe it was just heat soaked.
No, it was good. Dude, the intercooler's cold. Oh, joke, dude.
Oh wow, that's actually very interesting.
Really good.
Wow, yeah, the intercooler is actually genuinely actually cold.
A lot of work, so.
Yeah, this is actually like not even hot to the touch. This one you can feel slightly warmer. No, it's about the same, but still, it's like.
Yeah, the intercooler is not.
Feels
like,
actually like
cooled
it's
off pretty well.
cooled off. Interesting. Maybe it's just
happened?
because it's right in front. Yeah, that's very odd. I'm not gonna test it. Let's just take it down and test it one more time. Could we just drive down the just one slight pull? I want to, because I mean it's confusing. Why is it doing that? Let's just test it real quick. So first gear didn't spool at all. It went second, and then it spooled all the way, went into third, and then spooled. Same exact thing, and then it didn't want to spool again. I think this is what happened. I think just it somehow in second gear the turbo maybe leveled out and didn't rub up against anything.
Very possible.
And then it just maybe let off a little bit and then went back in, and then it just started rubbing because I heard a little tick 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 towards the end. So I think maybe I just turbo shot.
So what do you think? Max feeding loss turbo?
Max feeding loss turbo? or what would be the best turbo? S257 from BenzForce.
Head gasket's gonna go.
ARP studs.
No, the 606 gasket.
Oh yeah, you try that.
Yep.
If this video gets 1,500 likes, we'll put in a 606 head gasket and a BorgWarner S257. So, like. So the outcome is not what we wanted, but not even what we expected. I assumed the whole set turbos were gonna be doing 60 PSI singing with zero problem, not 30 PSI a couple times, and then break.
60 PSI with zero problem.
We've never heard whole set turbo other than 2 H1Cs. Maybe there's a pattern there.
Yeah, use a HX35.
HX35 or some BorgWarner turbos. BorgWarner's nice. So, thank you guys for watching. God bless you guys. God bless America. You guys have a good night.